What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in today's video we're going to take a look at this restoration kit. Now my car is getting a bit foggy in terms of the top base of the light, so I decided to go with this kit right here. I have read several information about this online that this is one of the great restoration kit that I can use. So in today's video I'm going to try it out to see if it actually works. So this is a restoration kit right here. So if you guys are interested in this, I'm going to put links for this down in the description of this video. So let's go right now to the light and show you guys what I'm working with. Alright guys, so this is the light right here I'm working with. So as you can see at the top part of this section, you can see it begin to just change in colors. Down here is okay, but up by top section right here, as you can see, begin to start changing colors. And over to this side as well, as you guys can see, we have a little speck of color changing as well. So we're going to test out with the kit right here. So this is the kit I'm using from this company, and we have some tube that inside. So I'm going to show you guys what inside the package and how it works on my car right there. So in the package, so as you can see, we got these tubes. Now we have different stages, so you can see step 1 right here. So a lot of different coating right here for step 1, and also step 1 as well. So we have a lot of different of them inside. And this right here is step 2, and some things that we can use to like clean off the light and so forth. And inside we got some more tube right here. You can see this is for step 3. So I'm going to show you guys the process right now of me restoring that. Alright guys, as you can see right now, I'm going to install step 1 onto the car right here. So you can see this little yellow thing. So I'm going to apply on this right here. I'm rubbing it right here in a circular motion. It's coming along right there. You can see that we have some color changes ready. Alright guys, so I'm starting this one right now. You can see this little bit yellow already. This one is not so bad as that one over there, so this might not take much oxidation. So right now guys, I'm rinsing it with some water, doing some cleaning right here. You can see already looking a bit different. This one right here, different as well. Alright guys, so I'm going to step 2 right now. So I fasten the red disc right here, and I'm with some sun right here, so you guys can see circular motion. So ensure that this step you have a lot of water on it right here while you're doing this. Alright guys, so we're on step 2 right now, and you can see that it's come on well. You can see right there. So what I use is some water on it, and I use this other sanding paper right here to give it some bit of rubbing right here. You can see that most of the surface is coming off quite fine. Alright guys, as you can see, the surface is looking really good right now. This one over here, you can see that looking cloudy. So I'm going to put another prep on it, which is step 3 right here. Ceramic clear coating onto it right here. That's it looking so far. So I'm waiting for this to dry right now and show you guys the result. Yeah guys, I'm showing right now some result. So looking really shine. Can you see that guys? Shine. Right here, so shine. Alright guys, so I've completed step 1 and 2. I've rinsed off with water. This is how it look right here. As you guys can see. This one as well. So we're gonna move on to step 3 right now. To coat it, I'm gonna dry it first with some dry rag. Yeah. Alright guys, so I've completed 2 cars right here with this kit. Now, you recommend that it can use like 4 for 1 car and 4 for next car, but in this video, I do it on the 2 car. As you guys see, I managed to do all of this, and so it's something I will use and recommend. So I will see how long this can last and let you guys see. So if you guys find this video very helpful, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.